Hello everyone here. I'm back with a new video. In this video, we are going to see some unexpected cars accidents. This happened when a stupid drive, a car, a random car suddenly showed on the highway.
Yo!
The guy lost his fourth wheels and still driving the cars.
Yo, that is nuts! Pull him next to him. I think he crashed. Maybe he's drunk. Pull him next to him. He crashed. Look, it's probably stolen. Car's on fire.
A dash cam always provides something interesting. Another dash cam video, which have something interesting. Again, this guy have a 3 wheels, but still driving his car. Bro had to make that move before that car got bumped in that lake. This guy has no idea what is going to happen with him. This was really unexpected. Another dash cam video which have captured an accident. Driving in rainy season is always a wrong idea for drivers.